And check it out. These are some incredible images. This is lightning over Fishers during the storm last night. Quite the light show. And we also had lightning this time further to the north from Clinton County. Just amazing images from last night, which led to some power outages rather today because of the storm, including the Children's Museum, which is now closed today because they have no power there.
Yeah, it's taking a little bit of time to get the power restored across portions of central Indiana. I don't like talking about more storms, but that's what I have in today's forecast. I know it's sunny in many spots right now. We're going to be watching for that redevelopment later on, but hang with me, Anne Marie. I've got a couple good days in the 7-day forecast.
We can only get through.
It is coming. It is coming. Want to give you a view of what's happening on the latest satellite radar right now, because you can see we don't have much happening, and that's good news because we just need some time to take a break. But as we start to zoom in and look into portions of northeast Indiana, that's just north of Muncie, where we're starting to see just a few thunderstorms, and a few more showers will develop as we go later into the day, and storms too. So on live Doppler 13 radar, we have about 350 lightning strikes in that area. These are the storms that moved out earlier today, but we are going to continue to see those showers and thunderstorms build up to the north. What are we seeing in terms of some of those the severe weather risk as we go through the day? Well, this is what we're seeing right now, that low risk. This does include portions of Kokomo all the way down through Bedford and Seymour. So we do have the chance for some damaging winds as well as very heavy rain. Again, flooding is going to continue to be a really big concern. Radar rainfall estimates within the last 24 hours show the heaviest rain has been south of I-70. This would include portions of Bartholomew County that topped out with about 5 inches of rain. See Brown County and portions of Johnson County just over 4 inches of rain. And you look up to the northwest portion of Indianapolis and Boone County there. I'll say that we had just about 4.5 inches of rain too. So it's no surprise that we have some of our flood warnings still active in these areas. It will last until 8 o'clock for Bartholomew, Brown, Jackson, and Jennings counties. This will be until 8 o'clock tomorrow night. And then as you head up to the north for Indianapolis, Boone, Hendricks, Johnson, and Marion counties, also Montgomery counties, under that flood warning until 3:30 this afternoon. Everyone else, for the most part, is under a flash flood watch through tonight. Why is this? The ground is saturated. We could pick up to an inch of rain in some of these storms that develop, and that would quickly lead to flash flooding. So you thought some of that rain was impressive. Well, look what the National Weather Service tweeted out. The wettest area of Indiana over the past week is southwest of Indy. A Coco Rojas site near Plainfield has had 11.37 inches of rain in just the last 7 days. For Indianapolis, as of midnight, we've had just about 7.92 inches of rain for the month of July, but we had a little bit over as we went into the early morning hours. And so when you take a look at just how much rain we've had so far for July, well, we're at the 8th wettest with 8.18 inches of rain. Wettest July is 13.12 inches on record. Downtown Indianapolis right now showing that we have the blue skies. Temperature trend has been going up very quickly too, in the 60s this morning. Now we're all the way up to about 85 degrees, and it is warm out there. Winds out of the west, 17 miles per hour. Dew point is at 70. So when you have these temperatures in the low 80s and mid 80s, it feels kind of closer to 90 degrees. Thanks to these dew points and that very heavy air. This afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms develop with a high of 87 degrees. This is FUTURETRAK 13, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You get an idea that we start to see some things popping. Not looking for a washout of an afternoon, but you'll need to check back with us. From there, want to give you an idea as we head into tonight. We'll start to clear out. It won't be as humid for tomorrow morning. Maybe some patchy fog down to 63 degrees. And tomorrow, well, it's looking like a great day. I told Anne Marie to wait. Just wait. Wednesday is going to be one of the days you're going to like. 80 degrees, mostly sunny skies. And from there, Thursday looks good too, 80 degrees. Then we turn on the heat. Friday, a chance of rain, 91. Saturday, isolated showers, 91. And by Sunday, 94, hot and sticky.